Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Crochet Tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to make a crochet butterfly pin, as you can see. So let's get started. So first of all, I'm going to make just a slip knot, as you can see. I'm going to make a chain of 5 stitches. Chain 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Look at this. And join it with another part. Now you can see I have made a small circle. Now I'm going to make again a chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, chain 5. Now look at this step. I 3 times yarn over. 1, 2 and 3 and insert into that circle. Pull through. Now you can look that point. Now pass between 2, again 2, again 2 and the last one 2. You can see again yarn over 1, 2, 3 and insert in the circle. Pull again 2, again 2, 2 and the last one 1, 2 and 3, 2, 2 and 2 and again 2. As you can see, you may cut at that point. Again 1, 2 and 3. Okay, then pass between 2, again 2, 2 and 2. Now you can look, I have 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2 and 3. Again 2, 2 and 2 and total 5. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now I'm going to make again chain 5 and connect that point, insert into this and making just a slip stitch, as you can see. Again I am going to make chain 5. This is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Again yarn over 2 and 3 times and insert into that circle or a loop. Again pass between 2, 2 and 2 and again same as I am going to make this stitch 5 times. This is 1, again 1, 2 and 3. Total 4 times and 1 more time. 1, 2 and 3. This is total 4 times. 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Again going to make chain 5. 2, 3, 4, 5 and going to connect that point with just a slip stitch. Now what you have to do, you have to take a long yarn now look at this point and wrap around. is back side. Pull all of these. Okay, you can look it. This is the front side. Now I'm going to make just a last knot of it, so it might not open again. Now I have a pin, so you may also keep this like this one, as you can look. This is one butterfly. Hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. If you have any query or ambiguity till this point, you may ask it in the comment section, and do share it with your friends and family members. And stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.